Hello, my name is Mark O'Malley with the National Weather Service in Phoenix, Arizona. This weather briefing will discuss the return of thunderstorms and heavy rain moving into Arizona this weekend of September 6th and 7th. Some highlights of this briefing will be thunderstorm coverage, forecast confidence, and hazards and impacts with respect to heavy rain and localized flooding. This briefing is valid through Sunday evening, September 7th. The combination of large amounts of available moisture into the area, an atmosphere supportive for thunderstorm development, and the support from tropical storm systems across the Gulf of Mexico and Gulf of California will aid in the progression of thunderstorm activity, eventually producing heavy rain and potentially localized flooding. Thunderstorms will begin in southeast Arizona and only slowly increase across central Arizona and southeast California through the weekend. Through Friday night, only isolated coverage can be expected, with better chances of outflow winds and patchy blowing dust through central Arizona. More concentrated coverage will be across southeast Arizona. However, an active weather weekend is on tap, so make your plans accordingly now. A few embedded weak weather disturbances moving from across Mexico and also across the California coast will aid in more numerous thunderstorms developing later this weekend. An increase in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and also from the Gulf of California will be an added benefit to our rain and storm chances. This satellite loop is from the afternoon hours of Wednesday, September 3rd, and shows the moisture in gray and white colors moving north and overtaking the dry air in orange. This is continued into the day on Thursday, and moisture will continue to surge north over the weekend. Confidence in this weather pattern is high for rainfall chances at some time over the weekend into early next week. The current outlook and all forecast models are in good agreement that rain and storms will affect this region over the weekend and into early next week. Confidence is medium in the timing of when more widespread rain and thunderstorms will start, how long they'll last, and the exact location of them. As with any storm system, the uncertainty is a given, but with this storm system that involves a partial tropical input, the variables change fairly often. So low confidence remains as to where the most likely locations will be that could experience the heaviest rainfall and possibly flooding. At this time, all signs point to late Sunday into early Monday as the most likely times to see heavy rainfall. The forecast precipitation totals through the weekend have varied substantially with each computer model and should be taken with a grain of salt. Here we present a few possible scenarios in these images, but consider these are potentials, not necessarily exact values of what you will receive. We can say with higher confidence that it will rain, and most locations will receive rain at some point this weekend. Some will receive heavy rain and some not so much. Instead of focusing on the amounts, focus on the impacts and how you can be prepared this weekend. Hazards expected for Thursday and Friday will be some gusty winds and possibly localized blowing dust, whereas Saturday through Monday, more heavy rain and localized flooding will become the main threats. Impacts may include reduced visibilities and difficult driving conditions Thursday and Friday, but more localized flooding or closed roads and dirt and debris on roads Saturday through Monday. Please do not drive through deep flowing water on roads. We really don't want to see you on the local news being rescued from your flooded car. Stay up to date with the latest forecasts and products by visiting our webpage, www.weather.gov/Phoenix, and connect and follow along with us on our social media pages, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks for listening, and stay safe out there.